Welcome to the channel. Let's go for another operation. 28 minus 3 times 4 plus 2 inside the parentheses. So let's go. First, what are we going to do? We're going to do PEMDAS, which is P-E-M-D-A-S-P for parentheses, right? E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, and A and S, in this case, I for subtraction and addition, right? So let's go. First, we have to do the parentheses, if there are any, and then continue in that sequence, right? So let's go. Are there parentheses? Yes, there are. So first, we will do the parentheses. So we will repeat here, 28 minus 3. In this case, before the parentheses, there is multiplication. So you put the V here, and 4 plus 2 equals 6, right? Done. We've solved this here. There are no exponentials. Multiplication and division. Multiplication is here, so we are going to solve this one. Okay, alright, let's go. Repeat 28, leave the negative sign. 3 times 6 is 18, and now there's only subtraction left. So 28 minus 18 equals 10. Correct answer. Subscribe to the